Good morning students. Today we are going to see a grammar topic, that is a contractions. Okay. So what do you mean by contractions? Contractions are the shortened forms of words or phrases formed by removing one or more letters. Okay. Contraction means it is the shortest form. Okay. It is a short forms. So short forms of word or a phrases. How it is formed? It is formed by removing one letter or more than one letter. Okay. And usually an apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. Okay. What do you mean by apostrophe? You all know, no? So this is a symbol of an apostrophe. Okay. And usually an apostrophe takes place for the missing letter. I have told, no, it is formed by removing one letter or more than one letter. Is it? So for the missing letter we have to put the apostrophe. Okay, that's what they are saying. Usually an apostrophe takes the place of the missing letter. Okay, let me explain you with the example. Okay, so these are the examples of the contractions. Okay, contractions. Okay, and I have written the expanded form. First let me tell you the examples of the contraction. First one is Eve, I'm, that's, she's, he'd, he's, it's are the examples of the contractions. Okay, now you observe it, we are having an apostrophe here. Okay, for the missing letter we are having the apostrophe. Let me explain you the example. Now see here, I, so it's a contraction form. So how we can expand it? That is I have. Okay, I have is the expanded form of I, is a contracted form. Okay, students, have you are clear with this? Now see the spelling of have, H-A-V-E, have. Now see here what are the things that are missing? That is H-A, the letter H-A is missing. It is more than one letter, right? So for that we have to put an apostrophe here. Okay, after I, here H-A is missing. No, for the missing letter you have to put an apostrophe. That is I apostrophe. Then you have to write the remaining words. V-E. I means I have. See the next example. I'm. The expanded form is I am. Here what letter is missing? Here the A is missing. So we have to put an apostrophe here. Okay, I apostrophe am. For the missing letter you have to put an apostrophe. Okay. See the next example. That's. It is the expanded form is that is. It's. Sorry, she's. The expanded form is she is. See the next example, he'd. The expanded form is he had or he would. So this contraction they are having the two expanded form. Okay, so we can say it as he had or he would. Okay, we can use anything according to the sentence. Okay, it is depends upon the sentence. See the next example, he's. The expanded form is he has, or we can say he is. So this contraction they are also having a two expanded form, that is he has, or otherwise we can say he is. See the next example, it's. So it is the expanded form is it has or it is. Okay, so you have to know the contraction forms and also you have to know the expanded form also. Okay, now students take a book. So in that also they are given the few examples for you. Take page number 99 in your English grammar book. See the example what they are given. I have, I'm, I am, that is, she's, she is, don't, do not, what's, what is, can't, cannot, let's, let us. Okay, so here for the missing letter they have put the apostrophe. Turn to the next page. Here also a few more contractions is given for you. He'd, he had, he would, he's, he has, he is. I will, I'm, I am, it's, it is or it has. Let's, let us. What will, what are, So these are the contracted form, and also they are given the expanded form also. Okay. Now students, see here, for some contraction they are having the two expanded forms. See for example, the same example. See here, he'd. We are having the two expanded form. What are they? He had and he would. Okay. So this we have to remember. For some contraction they are having a two expanded forms. Okay. The meaning of this contractions you have to understand from the context, as well as you have to see to the tense of the verb. Okay. So இங்க ரெண்டு contractions இருந்தது அப்படினா எப்படி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படினா, we have to see the depends upon the sentence depend பண்ணி இது வந்து வரும். For example, had means it is a past perfect. Okay, past perfect means you have to use this word, that is he had, for the past perfect tense. And for example, he has, for the present perfect tense you have to use he has, and for the present tense you have to use he is. Okay, so you have to understand from the depending upon the sentences. Okay, now see here, the same thing only they are given here. Contractions ending with D can be either had or would. Now see here, the contraction it ends with D. Here it can be either had or would. Okay, we can write anything, but it should be depend upon the sentence. Okay, see the next example. Contractions ending with yes can be either is or has. Now see here the contraction ends with yes. Okay, it can be either has or is. See here the same example they are given for the it's also. Here the contraction ends with yes, so it can be either has or is. It has or it is. Okay, students, have you clear with the contractions? The main thing you have to remember is it is a shortened form. Contraction means it's a shortened form. It is formed by removing one letter or more than one letter, and we have to put an apostrophe for the missing letters. Okay, so these are all the points you have to remember for the contractions, and also you have to see to the these examples which is given in your book. Now we shall do the book exercise. Now see the first exercise. Underline the contractions in the sentence. Okay, in this sentence you have to underline the contractions. First one, A. My friends mean traveling for a month now. So here the contraction is friends. See the next one. You have got to tell them the entire story. You can't leave it halfway. Here what are the contractions words are there? That is you have and can't. Underline these two words. C1. I'm hoping for Seatal to get well soon. So here the contraction is I am. Okay, and you have to do the remaining one as the homework. D, E, F, G as the homework for you. See the second exercise. Take the appropriate full form of the contractions in each sentence. Okay, so here they are given the clues for you. You have to choose the correct contractions. Okay, depending upon the sentence you have to choose the correct contractions. So second exercise, A1. She already prepared the dinner. Can you tell me which contractions comes here? It is she had. She had. B1. He said that he would complete the task. Here the contraction is he had. He had. So you should note that had which comes for the past perfect tense only. Okay, so had which comes for the past perfect tense. You have to remember this also. See the next one. See, you said that we'd go to the park today. Okay, what's the correct answer? We would. Okay, we would. We would. See the next one. He is agreed to pay the compensation. So what's the correct one? He has. Okay, he has. He has. Has comes for the present perfect tense. Okay. See the next one. E. Samir take care of the refreshment for the party. Okay, what's the answer? Samir is. Okay, Samir is. Samir is. And F1, they buy a new car very soon. Okay, they would. The answer is they would is the correct contraction here. They would. They would. They would. See the G1. He is working on his new project to conserve electricity. So here the contraction is he is. He is used for the present tense. Okay, is used for the present tense. So we have choose the appropriate contractions in the second exercise. Now we shall do the third exercise. Okay. Third exercise, fill in the blanks with the contractions for the words given in bracket. So in the bracket they are given the expanded form. So in the fill in the blanks you have to write the contracted form of. Okay. See the first one, why dash is not the left working. Here what's given expanded form is not. Or we can shorten write that is isn't. Okay, I, yes. Here the N is missing. Here the O, the letter O is missing. So you have to put the apostrophe, then T. B1, dash drinking water so quickly. Mohan is. Oh, we can contract and write Mohans. Mohans. Here S is missing. For the missing letter, we have put the apostrophe. See this next one. Dash happen to our earth if we keep cutting a trees. The expanded form is what will. How we can shorten write what will. Okay, what will. What will. The rabbit dashes the carrot ate. Here has not. How we can write hasn't. Otherwise, it dash eaten it by now would have. How we can contract and write would have. Okay. Would apostrophe. Here what letter is missing? H is missing. Okay. Put the apostrophe for the missing letter. And E dash celebrate Diwali without a firecracker. Here let us. How we can shorten write let's. Let's. Dash go to an orphanage and share happiness with the children there. We will. How we can contract and write? That is will. And you have to do the remaining ones as the homework. Okay, F and G as the homework for you. Fourth exercise is identify the error and read the sentence correctly. One example is given for you. Now see here, her grandmother's Anwar, let's go to the hospital. Suresh will book a cab. Here what are the things that are error? That is grandmothers. You have to put the apostrophe yes. See the next one, let's. Okay. You have to put let, then apostrophe yes, then Suresh will. Suresh apostrophe and double L. Okay. So like this you have to do the remaining one. Okay. He will able to attend the birthday party. Here what's the correction? Here error here, that is he will. What's the correct one? That is here they don't put the apostrophe here. Okay. The correct one is he'll. Okay. He apostrophe double L. He'll be able to attend the birthday party. See, Sunaina was hoping it would rain today. Okay, so Sunaina was hoping it apostrophe D, that is it would rain today. Sunaina was hoping it apostrophe D. Okay, here there is an error. Okay, the underlined word is the error. Okay, so we have correct the word by putting an IT apostrophe next D. Rain today. D. My father would have paid the electricity bill. That is, here the error is should have. Here they are not putting the apostrophe. Okay. My father should apostrophe we should have paid the electricity bill. And the remaining one E, F, G is the homework for you. You have to identify the error and next you have to rewrite the sentence correctly. Okay. So what did we learn today? So we have learned about the contractions. What is a contraction? It is a short form of word or the phrases. It is formed by removing one letter or more than one letter, and we have to see that we have to put an apostrophe for the missing letter. Okay. For some words we are having the two expanded form, that we have to understand from the context, or we have to see to the tense of the verb. Okay. So we have to understand from the depends upon the sentence. Okay. And students, you go through the examples which is given in your book and do the marked one as homework. Thank you, students.